Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and powering the unit so you can configure it immediately. Plug the time capsule into power and run an Ethernet cable from the modem to the WAN port. Once done, wait about 1 minute for the LED to stabilize. On your Mac or iPhone open Airport Utility, you should see a new base station prompting configuration. Make sure your device's Wi-Fi is on so Airport Utility can talk to the time capsule and begin setup. Once detected, select the time capsule and tap at it to manage its settings. Check for and apply any firmware updates because updated firmware fixes stability and security issues. Next, create a wireless network. Pick an SSID, select WPA2 Personal for encryption, and enter a strong password so your network is protected. Then open the Disks tab, enable file sharing, name the backup volume, and configure access rights. This ensures Time Machine sees the disk and stores backups reliably when you start your first backup. To finish, save and update the time capsule settings. It will reboot to apply changes, so wait until the LED becomes steady green, which indicates readiness. Then on your Mac open Time Machine Preferences, select the time capsule as the backup disk and kick off the initial backup. Larger first backups take longer, so be patient. If things go wrong, perform a soft reset and rerun Airport Utility, check Ethernet and power connections, and confirm firmware and your device's Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.